Hi my friends, let's model the part number 57, transfer casing, from my collection of 100 parts. The picture of this part is here. There are some hollows inside. Let's see the drawing. We start with this plate and we have to take care of this diameter of 56, which is the same with the external diameter of the base plate. Its dimensions are here: a rectangle with 68/90, and this extension, round extension of at a distance of 60, radius half of 56, and extrusion 13. Let's create it. We center the rectangle here, 68/90, and the extension somewhere here, using our special kill. Now split these two to make it construction, the same horizontal of these 2 points, radius 56 divided by 2, and the distance of 60, fully constrained. Extrude 13. Okay. Now fillets, radius 9, radius 4. Radius 9, plus radius 4. Okay. Next is this cylinder, which is diameter of 48 and height 90. This is where we create a sketch. Diameter of 48 and height 90, but we have to subtract the base plate, minus 13. Okay. Here we have a contour to be revolved. Yes, this is a revolve feature. We start from below the plate with 4 millimeters, and we continue with this contour. Let's go. What is the plane? XY. F7 to see inside, and then it must be a point. This is the point. We start from here this vertical, and then center line to close. Good. Dimensions. Dimensions are 48 diameter with 56, 4 millimeters here, and 79 all. The other dimension is 45. Okay, 56. 48, 4, 45 from the bottom, and the total height of 79. One dimension is this axis, which must be placed somewhere. I want to project this. I project this end, but it is here. Let me project this end to have a point here. This is the point, and to apply coincident. Now, fully constrained, finish sketch, revolve, revolve all this, axis is known, okay, good. Now we create the volume to connect these two revolved features. This connecting element is tangent to both, and the distance is from this face, so we have to subtract 4 millimeters to obtain the plane. Plane 45 minus 4, sketch, F7, project two circles to draw tangents. How to draw tangents? Press left button of the mouse and find the tangent. Press, keep pressed, and find the tangent point. Finish sketch, extrude all three with join the other direction of 27. Okay, 27 is here. Good. Inside this there is a hollow feature, yes, with this radius 18 and 21. What is the level? 48.5 from the work plane. 48.5. Before, let's disable visibility, then plane 48.5. Sketch, F7, circle with radius of 18, another circle at this point with a radius of 21. But let's be sure, yes, it is. And now again, tangents. You know the technique is very simple and very effective. We can trim without any problems here. The dimensions are not loosed. Finish sketch. And now, what is the distance? 12. Extrude, cut, up, 12. OK. Visibility. Now, a hole of 32 and another one, a counter bore with 38, 27, and the distance to here, which means 79 minus 4 minus 48.5. Oh, let's do these two procedures. The first is the hole with this here, 32, plus a counter bore hole, this face, this center, dimensions 32 is red because is greater than the counter bore. 27 is this, yes, tab, all, okay. This is 38, tab, and measure from up, we can apply that expression, 79 minus 4 minus 48.5. Okay, let's apply these holes on the base. They are in the centers of the fillets, yes, 4 holes of 8 millimeters through. Sketch, no sketch. Hole, no counter bore. In this point, 8. And then all I have to do is to point on points. Yes? Okay. Anything else? Yes, there is a rib here. Let's create this rib. The only dimension is 20 degrees from this point. Nothing simpler. Let's take a look inside. This is the real section, and now line from this point, selectable point, to the generator. Dimension 20 degrees. Okay, let's take a look from here. Rib, we select this, we select the options, symmetrical, this is, and the thickness is 12. When I write here 12, you will see that this is around the cylinder. If we would extruded this triangle, we will would find a gap there. No good. Okay, this is the part, my friends. Steel cast, steel cast, and faces to be machined. Okay, what aspect polished. Data, $2.1 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.